StudyMojo.com.
Next is question number 10. Exercise 6.3. The question is, CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, then show that first part CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Second part, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third part, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. Question is, CD and GH are. CD is the bisector of angle ACB. It is given in the question that CD bisects angle ACB and GH bisects angle EGF. GH bisects angle EGF. D is on side AB. D is on side AB and H is on side FE. H is on side FE. We have to prove that, given that triangle ABC is similar to FEG. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. It is given. First part we have to prove is CD by GH. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Then second part is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third part we have to prove is triangle DCA similar to HGF. These are the things which you have to prove. The figure is not given, so we have to draw a figure. Triangle ABC and FEG. Triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and another triangle. Next triangle is EFG. 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 Triangle EFG. Now CD bisects angle ACB. Angle ACB is this angle and CD bisects. This is the bisector. Angle bisector. Then these two angles are equal. Similarly, GH bisects angle EGF. EGF. EGF is this angle and GH bisects. So these two angles are equal. D is on side AB and H is on side FE. So okay. Triangle ABC, given that triangle ABC is similar to EFG. ABC is similar to EFG. First thing we have to prove is CD by GH. That is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. Now we have to consider these two triangles. We are considering triangle ACD and FGH. For proving the first result, we are considering triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD and FGH. Triangle FGH. FGH. In these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A means this angle and F is this angle. The reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles given ABC and EFG are similar. Therefore, the reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles ABC and EFG. ABC and EFG. Now, since angle C and angle G are also equal, angle C and angle G are also equal. Angle C is equal to angle G. Same reason. Here also same reason. Therefore, angle C by 2 is equal to angle G by 2. If C and G are equal, then halves of equal angles are also equal. Halves of equal angles. That is, half of C is angle ACD. Angle ACD. That is, angle ACD is equal to half of angle C is angle ACD is equal to half of angle G, which is equal to FGH, is equal to angle FGH. Halves of equal angles. Halves of equal angles. These two inequalities, the equation number 1 and 2. This is equation number 1, A and G. A is equal to F, corresponding angles, and this is we are naming this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and equation number 2 we get by AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion, triangle ACD, we are getting triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Triangle FGH. Therefore, the ratio of corresponding side CD by GH. CD by GH. Therefore, CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. AC by FG. Reason, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Reason, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. First part is over. Now we have to consider triangle DCB. Triangle DCB, this triangle, and triangle HGE. HGE means this triangle. HGE, this triangle. In the same manner, we can prove these two triangles are similar. Second part. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle B is equal to angle F. Angle B is equal to angle F. Angle B is equal to angle F. Reason, ratio, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now, angle BCD. Angle BCD is equal to angle FGH. We are considering triangle HGE. This is the triangle HGE, so it is E, not F, it is E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Corresponding angles of similar triangles, and angle BCD is this angle. BCD is equal to angle HGE. Angle HGE. Reason, halves of equal angles. halves of equal angles. These two equalities are sufficient for proving the second part. Therefore, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Reason by AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion. Then second part is over. Now we have to consider DCA, triangle DCA and HGF. HGF. This is the two triangles. HGF is HGF. We have already proved it in the first part. We can prove that once again for the third part. In triangle DCA, this triangle DCA and triangle HGF, in these two triangles, angle A is equal to F. Triangle HGF, angle A is equal to angle F. Corresponding angles of similar triangles ABC. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now, angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. Angle FGH. Halves of equal angles. Halves of equal angles. So, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. The reason is by AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion. Thus, we obtained all the three results. That is, first part we have proved that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. In the second part, triangle DCB is similar to HGE. In the third part, DCA is similar to HGF. We are obtaining the first result by proving DCA and HGF are similar. So, for the first proof of first part, we have already proved the third part. DCA similar to HGF. The same proof is occurring here also. Okay.